everyone, you're welcome. This is Sam. Now, I'm taking this section to show us, especially this is a class section that I'm making more public to show us how you can reduce the size of your image. Now, this goes to bloggers, people who run a website, people who upload images on website, and one of the things that actually will affect the speed of your site, especially the loading of your site, is the size of your image. If you're having a large size image, is going to affect the loading of the site. And for those who use Canva a lot, I'll show you how you can do that on Canva without reducing the quality. For example, if you're on blog, if you type blog here on Canva, you're going to see blog banner, blog graphics, okay, and also several options like that. Maybe it could be for your thumbnail, or it could be for your featured images, or it could be for your blog post. What is important is that having a large image is not recommended, it's not advisable. So that is why you should be able to have an opportunity or a channel, or we call it use a source to be able to resize your image. So I have one that I've done here. I've designed already done here for use. So better we duplicate this. Okay, and if for those people are wondering how to use Canva, you can just check some of my channel. I have several videos on how to use Canva. You can check the description here if you need a full training on how to use Canva, especially for business owners and entrepreneurs. So back to these details here on Canva. For example, if you're trying to download any images, what you're going to see here, you can use the download options, and you see the PNG, the JPEG, and all other file type options. If you are on the free version of Canva, you will have access to the transparent background and the compressed file, which is lower quality. You could be able to, and you won't be able to even reduce the size, but on the JPEG, same thing happen. You will be able to reduce the size, and also you will be able to reduce the quality. So what I will show you here, if you are on the free version, more advisable for you, you can just use JPEG. Using JPEG, you can reduce the size, or when you download the file, you can use some file resizer. If you have a Paint, yes, Paint is a software on your Windows. You can use that. And for those who use a website, there are several plugins you can have installed on your site that can compress your images automatically. Okay, and but for today, we're going to work with this particular design, which is on page 4. Now I'm going to show you a few things. We're going to compare. Now these images we're going to download is only as PNG. Okay, so let's try that. This is done PNG only. I can decide to reduce the size. Now what happens to the size is just reducing the width and the height. This is 1120 by 630. Okay, and so you don't need all that. Okay, so if you actually increase the size, you go to your design will take a long time for you to download. So let's take about 0.5 and let's download that. Okay, so if you have a fast internet, and you're going to see that. So let's see, this actually it's around 593 kilobytes. Yes, 593 kilobytes. So back to this, if you actually using possibly you are putting up your images on social media, or for particular features on social media, it's actually you can feed it on one, and this is 2240 by 1260. If you pick page 4, just click on it down and download, you're going to see the size. Now this size will be around MB. Now this size is 1.9 MB. That's close to 2 MB. You want to upload that on image. So now advisable for PNG, you can compress the file, okay, or you try the best way, just compress your file. You have lower quality. So we're going to do page 4 same. Now we're going to bring this to 0.5 and go to click on download. The same design, you just need to see the size. Now this size is 249 kilobytes, and if you check this design, you see that the quality is still okay. The quality is good. Okay, let's see this. Now this is the good quality. Now let's go back. Now we've used the PNG format. Then you can now try JPEG. This is actually small size. Now if you see the quality here, it's very important. And let's try with this same quality. The quality is at 80, the size is 240. So let's reduce the size to 1 1120 by 630. And let me download this for us to see. This is 90 kilobytes. So let's look at the image. What the image look like? Okay, waiting for that to load. All right, this here already. Now you have a good image too, good quality. Now you can see if this is 19 MB. Let's see if we can be able to put it on JPEG, reduce the size, then bring the quality. Advisable, we can bring it in the middle. You can still play around 30. If you make it lower, you are going to have a poor quality images. Yeah, so let's pick it up 30, and same design on 4. Let's download this. So I wait for that to load. This is 46.5 kilobytes. This is 46.5 kilobytes, and so let's look at the image. Now this is the good quality. All right, yeah. If you look at it clearly, you know you actually have the quality more affected, but this is good quality. If you want to play around a bit, then also you can now use any of the file resizer. But advisable if you have any compressed plugins in your website for your blog, for those using WordPress, it's silly you're able to compress the file, because what we are trying to achieve is just a good quality images with lower size. And because if you are going ahead to upload something like 2 MB, 3 MB, or 10 MB, that is heavy for your blog. That is really heavy. You won't need that. Even with videos, you can still embed them somewhere and put it on your site. For this, what we're trying to achieve is just a good quality and lower size. So that at least when my site is loading of something, even you can see some people using Top-Link reduce it to like 7 kilobytes. Okay, but depending on your site, you can still reduce the bit or with any of the file resizer just to have good quality without affecting the quality, and also help Session G to call your site and help SEO part of your site. So more easy and more nice. I hope you're able to enjoy this. If you're watching this, you have other options whereby you use to resize your images with good quality. I would love to read about them in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you enjoy all other videos